This is a quick 2-method video on how to curve text in Photoshop. There are 2 main methods I prefer using when curving text in Photoshop. They're both very easy to do, and the first one I'm going through uses the built-in tool and is great for standalone text. The second one is good for pathing text around objects like this. So for the first method, I'm going to hit the text tool and make a text layer saying anything I want. Keep in mind that warp text is usually spaced further apart, so adjusting the leading to a little bit higher may be necessary. There's a little T with a curved line below it that you can click to create your curved text. At this point, a window will open up that shows the available options for your curvatures. Let's cycle through how the other presets look. You can get a rough idea from the icons on the screen as to how they adjust the text. Changing from horizontal to vertical does not rotate the text, only the effect that's been applied to it. Now let's take a look at the distortion sliders. Firstly, bend will adjust the intensity of the effect. You can also go into minus to effectively invert it as well. Horizontal affects the bias of the effect going across, and vertical does the same from top to bottom. This method of creating curved text is the easiest as it utilizes the built-in tool, but it's also quite limited. Let's take a look at a slightly more advanced but just as easy process that lets you do this. So for this second method, select the ellipse tool on the left-hand side and create an ellipse similar to this one. Now hit the text tool and hover over the edge of the shape, and your cursor should turn into this. Click and you'll be able to type around this ellipse that you've made. Which is good if you want to type around an ellipse, but what if you want to do it for a more complicated shape? Using this image, I'm going to click the pen tool and create a shape around this object. In order for the text pathing to look clean, make sure that there aren't too many corners. Even if it looks like the paths you're creating don't quite match up with the object, if there are too many corners, then the text will look jumbled up. Once you're done, click Shape to create a shape from the paths you've made. You can then do the same as with the ellipse. Click on the text tool, hover over the edge of the shape until you see this cursor, and then click. As you can see, typing now wraps around the shape, and once you've typed what you wanted, click the tick at the top and hide the shape layer itself. Perfect. Remember to drop us a like if this video helped you out, and for more design content from Solarpress, hit subscribe below. Thanks for watching.